Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send USDT on TRC20 on Binance. Now, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Binance app. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to go to your assets right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. Now, in here, go ahead and tap on Send. Okay? Make sure that the network selected in here is USDT. If not, tap on the drop down and make sure that USDT is marked as checked. All right, tap on it. Now, once done, go ahead and tap on Send. Now, in here, we have multiple options. Well, the ones that we're going to pick is on-chain withdrawal. Okay, so as here, withdraw crypto from Binance to other exchanges or wallets. Okay, I'm just going to tap on it. Now, in here, let's just go ahead and tap on USDT. Okay. Now here's the part where we would paste the address from the network or wallet where you got the address. All right. Just tap and hold and hit on paste and your address will be pasted in here. Now, once that's done, go ahead over to network, tap on the drop down. Now go ahead and select Tron TRC20. All right. Just tap on it. Now in here, just put the withdrawal amount and the minimum is 10, as you can see here. Just tap on it and tap on 10 if that's the only one that you would need to send. All right. And after that, just hit on done. And once you're done with everything, just go ahead and tap on withdraw and follow the simple prompts. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.